In this video, I will show you how to adjust the video playback speed in Google Vids. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, I'd like you to understand that Google Vids, it's a part of Google Workspace. So for you to get to the Google Vids page, you can either go to Google and type Google Vids and then get the first link, or you go to workspace.google.com/products/vids. Now let's sign into Vids. We're going to choose the account. Now what you want to do in Vids is you want to find the video that you want to adjust the play speed for. Now we're going to use this video for the purpose of this tutorial. Let's decrease the timeline. Now once the video loads, right on the video you can see at the bottom right here, right next to the sound, you have playback options. You're going to click on playback options, and right on the playback options pop-up that opens up on the right, you're going to click on settings and you're going to click on playback. Now right here is where you can adjust the video speed. You can either choose to increase it. So for one is the normal speed. You can increase it to 2, and once you play it,
my parents want to remodel their bathroom.
You can see it's speeding up. Or you can decrease the playback speed, slow it down a little bit, and then you play it. And as you can see,
really
it's slow.
My parents wanted to remodel their bathroom, but almost got ripped off by a really dishonest
That's how to adjust the playback speed for Google Vids. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.